Ghost of Mars 83, Sunday, September 3rd at 4:52 a.m. It's showing 71 degrees outside. I'm headed to the woods. I'm hoping to have a fun day. I'm hoping to have a cool day. Can't wait to get into the woods. Stand by for the hunt.
Alright guys, it is 8 o'clock a.m. and when I came in, I actually got here about probably like 5:15, 5:20, and I was setting up my Garmin cameras, and I heard it. I don't know if it was a deer or not, but I heard something crashing maybe about 30 feet away from me, and it got quiet. I did get the camera got set up, and haven't seen anything. I'm probably going to stay out for maybe another 2 hours, and then of course I'm going to end up calling it. I don't stay out all day long. There's some guys who stay out all day. I don't. Now later season, sometime I might stay out a little later. I'll try to alternate my times because the big buck, I call him Ghost, he's been eluding me since 2014, and he is smart. He's basically been out twice during daytime hours every season since 2014, and he's huge. I'm hoping he comes out this year because I've got the rifle. I'll be able to reach out and touch him, so stay tuned. It's actually 9 o'clock. I'm going to go ahead and call it. I've got about 3 or 4 properties I need to go out and put some corn out, so I'm going to go ahead and call it. Fun day. Didn't see any deer. Still early season. If you have not subscribed, please like and subscribe. More videos on the way. Also, I wanted to give a shout out to Jesse Weaver. I got you, buddy.
I went to the third location and it was so flooded I didn't even bother going into the woods or getting any video. I mean, it was flooded really bad. Again, more videos on the way. If you have not subscribed, like and subscribe. Until next time, Ghost of Mars out.